Get noticed in this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.